Naghahanap ka ba ng abot kaya, abot ng paa at madaling i-handle na big bike? Nasubukan ko itong QJ Motor SRV 400 kasama si Rides with Daniela, Lara and other motovloggers. The SRV 400 is a cruiser bike so looks-wise pa lang type ko siya. Unang nagustuhan ko dito is the seat height at 700mm. Kapag bago ka pa lang kasing magbi-big bike, malaking tulong if abot mo ang floor. Malaking tulong sa confidence. It's also nice na 164 kilos ang weight niya versus many big bikes na usually nasa 200 plus kilograms like my Triumph Street Twin and my Moto Morini Seimetsu SCR. 6-speed manual transmission na ito with a 2-cylinder V-twin engine. Sa performance naman, tamang-tama lang ito para sa bagong nagbi-big bike. Hindi ka magugulat kasi maximum torque is at 35 Nm and power is at 37 horsepower. Liquid-cooled ito which I prefer over air-cooled. Fuel tank capacity naman is impressive for me at 13.5 liters considering na maliit tingnan ng tangke niya. Sa brakes naman may dual-channel ABS na ito kaya very efficient ang braking dito. Finally, nandito na tayo sa Mortesem Mountain Resort and samot-sari mga motorcycles ang dala namin dito ngayong araw. Meron kaming dalang QJ, Moto Morini and Bristol and ang gamit ko dito is QJ SRV 400. It's a big bike, highway legal na siya and very nice to handle the motorcycle. I really like it kasi it's a big bike, it has power, kaya yung mga paahon dito papuntang Marilake, kayang-kaya, very nimble also, enjoy yung mga rides sa mga twisties and kahit yung papasok dito sa resort na merong konting off-road, kayang-kaya rin ng motorcycle. And what I like also about this ride is the fantastic view of the Mortesem Mountain Resort. Actually, ang sabi nila kapag maaga ka raw dumating dito, meron daw sea of clouds. Pero medyo tinanghali na kami ng punta. But the view is still as spectacular. Kaya naman, i-enjoy natin ang view dito and tikman natin ang kanilang mga pagkain. Aside sa mga silog meals for breakfast, ang sarap din ng kanilang bulalo na putok-batok talaga and bonus yung kanilang masarap na pansit. Anyway, going back sa motor, if you're looking for a budget-friendly beginner big bike, SRP of the SRV 400 is 269,000 pesos. O, diba abot kaya? QJ Motor Philippines is located at 10th Avenue corner 4th Avenue, Caloocan City and meron rin silang bagong open na branch sa Antipolo.